Mushy Pumpkin. This pumpkin was once a great jack-o'-lantern, but now it's yucky. What can you do with a mushy pumpkin? Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, your last name, and the date at the bottom. A new job for an old pumpkin. As you read, think about how you can make an old pumpkin useful. You spent so much time carving your pumpkin. You made the face look perfect and spooky. Your pumpkin was great, but now it's a little yucky. 1. A pumpkin mess. A jack-o'-lantern looks fresh for about 10 days after it's carved. Then it starts to get gross. The pumpkin gets soft and mushy. It smells pretty bad. Gray and black mold spots show up on it. Yuck! You don't want this icky pumpkin anymore. Should you throw it in the trash? Not so fast. This old pumpkin can help new plants. Here's what to do. 2. Smash your pumpkin. This is the fun part. It's time to smash your pumpkin. Stomp on it with your feet. Hit it with a baseball bat. Splat! Break it into little pieces that will help you with the next step. 3. Another yucky mix. Now you'll turn the pumpkin into compost. That's a mix of old food scraps and plant parts like leaves. Put your pumpkin pieces in a big bin outside. Mix in other food scraps too. Toss in those banana peels and apple cores. Every week, go out and stir the compost in the bin. Soon it will change. It will start to stink. The pieces will break down after a few months. The mix won't look like plants anymore. Now it looks like dirt. That means the compost is ready. 4. Super Plant Helper. Compost is full of nutrients. Those are like vitamins for the plants. You can spread your compost in the garden. It will help flowers and plants grow. You might even grow a new pumpkin. When your pumpkin started to get mushy, it seemed like the end, but it was just the beginning. Your old pumpkin will help something new grow. By Blair Ransford. 1. First let your pumpkin get rotten. 2. Then smash it. 3. Next, put it in a compost bin. Mix it up. 4. Last, use it to help a new plant grow.
Dance break! Let's dance with the pumpkins. Stomp your feet. Curl your arms. Now wiggle your body. Let's dance one more time. Let's dance with the pumpkins. Stomp your feet. Curl your arms.
Pumpkins come in different shapes and sizes. Look at this chart of some unusual pumpkins. Then answer the questions. All kinds of pumpkins chart. We have the Jahadale pumpkin, Jack B. Little pumpkin, Atlantic giant pumpkin, peanut pumpkin, tiger pumpkin, cotton candy pumpkin. What color is the Jahadale pumpkin? Is it white, blue, or orange? Take a look up at the chart. What color is the Jahadale pumpkin? White, blue, or orange? Which of these pumpkins has an animal in its name? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this one? Match the pictures up at the chart and which one of these three has an animal in its name? Question 3. Which of these pumpkins is not orange? Jack B. Little? Is that pumpkin orange? Look up at the chart. The Atlantic giant? Is that pumpkin orange? Or the cotton candy pumpkin? Is that one orange? Which one is not orange? Jack B. Little, Atlantic giant, or the cotton candy? Question 4. Which of these words describes the peanut pumpkin? Would you describe the peanut pumpkin as smooth, sharp, or bumpy? Take a look at this peanut pumpkin. What would be a describing word? Smooth, sharp, or bumpy? Talk about it. Which of these pumpkins do you think would make the best jack-o'-lantern? And why? Which one would make the best jack-o'-lantern?
Pumpkin grows. Ah, pumpkins. They are so big and orange and round. And they make great jack-o'-lanterns. How do they grow, anyway? Pumpkins start from a little pumpkin seed. You plant the seed in the soil. Soon, with water and sunshine, the seed sprouts. It grows bigger, and then a yellow blossom grows on the plant. Blossom is another word for flower. The bottom of the blossom swells up. This is the part that will turn into a pumpkin. The petals fall off the blossom, and a tiny green pumpkin begins to grow. And grow, and grow some more. But by now, it's not green anymore, it's orange. The pumpkin has lots of seeds inside. Some pumpkins have hundreds of them. People can cut open the pumpkin, take out the seeds, and plant them to start the whole cycle all over again. Or the pumpkin just sits in the dirt and rots. Sooner or later, the seeds sink into the soil, and then new pumpkin plants can grow. Lots of